Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. With the holidays approaching, I'm looking for a low carb dessert to enjoy. So I can't wait to show you guys this low carb lemon dessert for the holidays, perfect for Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year's, whatever holiday you celebrate. Let's jump right in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add erythritol sweetener to a larger bowl. As you guys already know, all of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description below. To the erythritol, we're also going to add some butter. Now, this butter has been sitting at room temperature, so it is softened. We're going to take a hand mixer and beat this all together until combined. I'm also going to add in some vanilla extract and 1 large room temperature egg. I'm now going to add some lemon zest. You can also use orange zest, but I like to have the lemon flavor in this cookie, not so much the orange flavor, but do whatever is your preference. I'm also going to add in whole milk ricotta. Now, all at once, we're going to add in almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And we're going to throw this in all together into the bowl while we are mixing. I've set my oven to preheat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that's preheating, we are going to prepare the cookies. I have a baking sheet here and I have lined it with some baking liner. You can also use parchment paper if you don't have the liner. We're going to take this dough and we're going to roll it into a ball like this and place it onto the tray. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. What's really important with this recipe is that you are using room temperature ingredients. You don't want these ingredients to be cold. Otherwise, it'll be really hard to form the cookie dough and it won't get that texture that you're looking for. These are such a great light dessert that are great to bring to a holiday party, either at work or at home. They are super, super light, and the lemon flavor is just such a nice touch. Now that our rolled dough is on the sheet pan, I'm gonna take my fingers and just press down slightly. You just wanna slightly flatten out these cookies. These cookies are ready to go into the oven. We are going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. But what's really important is that halfway through, we are going to transfer these to another sheet pan. So let's throw them in for 10 minutes first. It's been 10 minutes. I've taken the cookies out of the oven and now I'm going to transfer them with the paper, the parchment paper that it's on, or the baking paper, onto a cool tray. The reason we're doing this is because we don't want to overcook the cookies. We want them to cool down on a nice and cool tray. Now, these cookies are going to go back into the oven. We're going to bake them for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until they are nice and golden. So check at 5 and then see if you need any more time. It's been 20 minutes and I've taken the cookies out of the oven. We're gonna let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, we are gonna work on the icing. For the icing, we are going to add some powdered sweetener. Now I'm using the Swerve Confectioner's sweetener. I have it linked in my Amazon links in the description below. We're gonna add this to a bowl. We're also going to add in some vanilla extract and some cold heavy cream. And we're going to whisk this all together. I have some water. I'm going to slowly add the water a little bit at a time. And we're gonna whisk this in until it has a nice, not too liquidy, but a nice icing texture. As you can see, it's starting to form that icing texture that we're looking for.
Need to add a little bit more. It needs to be just liquidy enough that we can dip the cookies into it. We're almost there. You don't want to add too much because if it gets too liquidy, then, that's not the right texture that we're looking for. As you can see, our icing is now the perfect texture, just liquidy enough for it to be easy to dip the cookies, but not too liquidy. The cookies have now completely cooled down. You're gonna take the cookie, dip it with the top side down into the icing. And then we're gonna take a fork, pick up the cookie, and just let it set on a cooling rack. You're gonna do this for all of your cookies. The icing is now on the cookies, and at this stage, you can either leave them as is to set completely, or you can add some sprinkles. So I'm gonna add some gold sprinkles. You could add some Christmas color sprinkles, silver, whatever you want, whatever you have. I'm just gonna add a little bit just for a nice finishing touch. And after you're done putting the sprinkles on, you're gonna put them into the fridge to set for about half an hour to 1 hour. Our cookies are finished. Take a look at this. It should be completely set. I put them into the fridge for about 30 minutes and they're already ready to go. I can't wait to bite into this. Cheers, everyone. So delicious, light, lemony, and perfect for the holidays. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.